This is Audrey with Cookie Couture Atlanta. I am so excited about this. So I am going to open my little package I got today. This is my opening unboxing. Look at the box, honey. These some earrings. Look how they sent me the earrings. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so excited. They really did this up nice. I buy earrings all the time. Now what is that? What is this? Hello tips. Take care of the feather earrings out the package. Shake the feather earrings. You can also blow dry your feather earrings for more fullness. Most importantly, enjoy. Aww. I ordered them off Etsy. So here's the picture. Oh, this is nice. This is my little invoice. Hey, now. They really made this they really made this really nice here. So, okay. Oh my goodness. Yes. I can't wait to wear these. Look at this. Ooh, yes, honey. I just put them in my second hole real quick so I could see what it looked like. Hey, Audra. I have a friend named Audra that, oh, look at these. That loves big feather earring. Ooh, this is my second hole. Yes, honey. What we gonna wear this with? Look at this. Yes, boo. I love it. Hey, happy birthday to me.